Now we are in the first part, the MCQ. Starting the use of computer operation system and starting the use of computer operating system and starting the use of GUI, which denote the computer generation respective. The operating system was first used in third generation, but the GUI, graphical use of operating system, was used in the fourth generation. And in the third generation, it was a CLI. So third generation and fourth generation. Third one is the answer. Number 2, what is the decimal number equivalent to binary number? For this, we need to find what is the decimal equivalent of this, right? What is the decimal number equivalent to binary? 101011. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 0 can put a 1. Plus 2 to the power 1 is 2. Plus 2 to the power 2 is 4, but into 0 can 0. 2 to the power 3 is 8, 8 into 1 is 8. 2 to the power 4 is 16, 16 into 0 can 0. 2 to the power 5 is 32, 32 into 1 can 32. So 32 plus 8 can 40, 42, 43. So the answer is 43, second one. Third one, is the number equivalent to 1011110001. Yeah. So what is the octal equivalent to the? How do you convert binary into octal? Divide the binary number into sets of 3 bits, right? Into groups of 3 bits. 1, 2, 3 break, 1, 2, 3 break, 1, 2, 3 break. Here we have 1, 6, 3, 1. So 1, 3, 6. No. Third one is the answer. Fourth one. What is the hexadecimal number equivalent to 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So we need to find the hexadecimal equivalent to this. How do you convert binary to hexadecimal? You have to break it into, even you have to group it into sets of 4 bits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, break, 1, 2, 3, 4, break, 1, 2, 3, 4, break. Here we have 2. Here we have what? 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 can you put it? 10A, 11B, 12C, 13E, so B, 14E, and 15F. So 11 is what? Now method 2, method 11 is B. Here we have what? 7. Here we have just 6. So 6, 7, B2. Where's the answer? 6, 7, B2. First one is the answer. And then question number 5. Consider the following statements. Correct the answer. Select the correct answer. 164. 164 equivalent to 3C hexadecimal. 164. Convert 164 into what to the? How do you convert this into hexadecimal? If you want to convert decimal into hexadecimal, you have to divide it by 16. So 16 over 16, 1 and 4 is remaining, right? So 0, 4 remaining. So 10 can මොකද පුතේ? When you divide this by 16, you got a 10 and 4 remaining. 10 is A. So what is it today? A4. So not 3C, it's A4, right? So A is incorrect. Then 64, the answer is 3. Why? A is wrong. No? In the first one and the second one and the fourth one, A is included. Only in the third one, A is not included. If for sure you know that A is not the answer, A is wrong, then BC is the answer, right? Third one. Be smart like that. But if you have time, just do the other 2 statements also, right? Aggal karam, octal එක 110, 1 0, 2 3. We have what? 4 here we have. And 56. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 32, 16, 8, 6, 56. Yeah. So B and C correct. Number 6. Which of the following strategies? Let me share the screen again. Right. Question number 6, Pute. Which of the following strategies can be used for both input and output? Input and output both. Mana tiyunu Pute? The touch screen and the digital camera. Touch screen is anyway input and output. Digital camera can be used to capture input and also to display output. So number 4, 6, number 4. Question number 7, logic gate. Which of the following truth table is equivalent to the logic gate given below? Right? Here we have what Pute? What do we mean? A, B. We have A dot B, A dot B bar, and then A dot B bar dot B. Right. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Right. Let me stop the screen sharing. 0, 0 with it and gate 0, 0, 0, 1. Here the opposite of it 1, 1, 1, 0. And send this with AND gate with 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Right. So with the A dot B bar dot B can is 0, 1, 0, 0. Where do we have the answer? 0, 1, 0, 0. Second one is the answer. Then we have to find the similar ones, right? So we have here A going to the not gate. We have B, we have C. Right. So here we have A bar. Here we have A bar dot B dot C and A bar B C dot C. Right. Okay. Similar ones ko ittiin pute. Similar ones. Where do we have the similar ones? So basically pute. Here also we have AND gate. Here also we have AND gate. Here also we have AND gate. So the bracket doesn't matter actually. Maybe then A bar can 2 into B can 3 into C can 4. Other into C can again 4. Then make a bracket symbol right? The brackets actually doesn't matter, right? So you can ignore the brackets here if the symbol in the middle is the same. You can ignore the bracket. So today, even if you send all of these to AND gate together and A itarak wenama ita kale, if you send it to a NOT gate and then the rest all at once, if you send it to an AND gate, you will get the same output. So today, it will be the first one. A going to the NOT gate and the rest are all going to AND gate. Doesn't matter whether they are going to separately or together, right? As long as the symbol in the middle is same, right? මොන පිළිවෙලට කොහොම join කරලා ඇව්වත් පුතේ උත්තරේ එකයි if the symbol in the middle is the same, right? Same for the O gate also. සැකනම් truth table එකක් ගහලා බලන්න. Actually they expect you to draw the truth table. හරිද? So draw the truth table and see. First one is the answer. Question number 9. Ravi Communications Institute, which maintains a limited space, need to buy a monitor and a printer, right? Which of the following is the most suitable to get quality printing and clear pictures as an output, right? So quality printing and clear picture. What is it, Pute? Monitor and a printer. Printer nang අනිවාර්යෙන් what? Laser printer. And output, Pute? LED display. Yes, third one is the answer. Number 10. Data and instructions processed through central processing unit directs information initially to where, Pute? Data and instructions processed through central processing unit directs information initially to primary memory. Going get primary memory හරහා තමයි යන්නේ, right? So question number 10 answer is first one. Number 11, harmful effects of the information and communication technologies. What would they? Basically they are asking for the unharmful, right? Unharmful. So what is it? Dealing with friends through social websites, right? Dealing with friends through social website is the only unharmful thing. Everything else is harmful, right? Then 12. To speed to speed up a word processing software, the shortcut key is to get the cursor at the beginning of the document and to open a new document tab. To get the cursor to the beginning, the control home, right? And to open a new document, control O. And the first one is the answer, right? Number 13. Which of the following is a facility in word processing software that cannot be used with cannot be used from mail merge? Hmm? Which of the following is a facility in word processing software that cannot be used from mail merge? Right? Automatically entry of different persons' addresses in the same letter format. That is what mail merge means. Preparing the same size of labels. Huh? Can you do that? Preparing the same size of labels. Can we do that? I forgot. It's a record name, so I can't. You won't be able to answer me, right? So for the yes, labels will be the same, right? You can't. You don't change that. It's the master document. Printing different addresses on envelope, yes, right? You can do that. Envelope කියලා තියෙන පුතේ mailings කියම if you select that, it will happen. Entering addresses of letters automatically into a table, no. From a table to a emails today you can do that. Letters you can do that, but not from the letter to the table, right? The other way around. So fourth one is the answer. 14. The following three icons labeled as PQR are commonly used in word processing software to create lists, right? So the true statement of the above are what? Enters numbers. P enters numbers. P enters numbers in the list. No, incorrect. Q enters numbers in the list while P enters bullets. Yes, that's correct. Be correct. C. Q enters numbers. Yes, that's true. And while R enters numbers and multi-level list. Yes, right. So B, C are correct. Third one is the answer. Number 15. Formula equal 2 to the power 3. Just to the formula. 2 to the power 3 divided by 5 minus 1 to the power 3 plus brackets into 6. So whether you do the brackets first here, right? You have to do the brackets first here. මොකක්ද දෙන්නේ එතකොට? brackets එක power එක මුලින් 1 to the power 3 කියන්නේ මොකද්ද පුතේ? 1ම තමයි. Right? So 5 minus 1 here. What is the answer? 4. 4 divided by 2 to the power 3 into 6. Then do the power. 2 to the power 3 කියන්නේ කීයද පුතේ? 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 divided by 4 into 6. So which one are you going to do first? The division or the multiplication today? Which one are you going to do first here? Division or the multiplication? මොකද්ද මුලින් කරන්න මෙතන? එද බොඩ්. 8 divided by 2 කියන්නේ කීයද ළමයි? 4. 4 into 6 කියන්නේ කීයද? 20. 24 is the answer. Hold on. Did I make a mistake? 4 නෙමෙයි ළමයි. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 6 into 2 can kill it. 12 is the answer. 24 2 is the answer. So third one is the answer 12. right? Then let me share the screen. Use the following spreadsheet to answer question 16 to 17. It shows worksheet of a bank which pays 8% of a simple interest according to the time. Right. To calculate the interest, I equal PTR formula is used for PTR. Right. I is what interest amount, P deposited amount, T time, and interest rate. Right. This is amount into time into interest rate. Okay. So 16. What is the formula to be written in cell D2 in order to calculate Ravi's amount of interest? What is the formula to be written in cell D2? D2 එක තියෙන මොකද්ද? interest එක. හරිද? To calculate the Ravi's amount of interest. When it is copied to D3 to D5, the correct answer should be given. හරි. So පුතේ, interest amount into deposited amount, deposited amount into time into interest rate. That's how the formula is calculated. So whereas the deposited amount is in the B2. B2 into time C2 into interest rate in the B7. Interest rate is only in the B7. So $B, $7. Right? $B, $7. For the column, the dollar symbol is not mandatory, but for the row, it is mandatory. Right? So B2 into C2 into B, $7. Right? $B is not mandatory, it's option. Then put the answer is what? Third one is the answer. Right? 17. What is the formula to be written in cell B6 in order to find the total amount of money invested? To find the total amount of money invested. කොහොමද ඒක හොයන්න පුතේ? B එකේ B column එකේ එකතු. Right? So equal sum B2 colon B5 equal sum B2 colon B5. That one is the answer. Equal sum B2 colon B5. Number 18. Consider the following statements regarding slides with multiple objects created using a presentation software. Okay. A. Several animations can be applied to one object in a slide. Several animations can be applied to one object in a slide. Can we do that with the presentation? Several animations? Yes, we can. For each slide, different time durations can be assigned during slide transition. Yes, slide එකට පුතේ time එකක් අපිට වෙනම දාන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? share කරලා. share කරලා. Okay. All right. So several animations can be applied. Yes, we can. For each slide, different time duration can be assigned during slide transition. Yes, we can do that. Create presentation cannot be saved as a video clip. How they can? We can save the presentation as a video clip if you set the times, right? Then A is the answer. First one is the answer. B. Question number 19 to 23 are based on this. So Suraksha student insurance is a free insurance over cover claiming illness and accident of school children. The following shows three relevant database tables created by a student of Mihindu Vidyalaya. Answer the following questions using the table given below. How many records are there in the insurance table? In the insurance table, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 records. Four records. Right? Second one is the answer. 19. Consider the following statement for the suitability of entering the admission number column as the primary key for student tables. Uniqueness of admission number. Yes. Having an admission number for each student. Yes. First, A can be unique. හරිද? B කියන්නේ not null. empty වෙන්න බෑ. C having an admission number as a number. නෑ නෑ ඒක අදා. AB right? AB only first one. 21. An example for foreign key in a database is what? In here, index number in the claim table. Index number in the claim table is a foreign key. මේ admission number කියන්නේ ඒකනේ නේද? Yes, admission number, index number. Yeah, that's it. So second one is the answer. 22. What is the name of the student who received the claim on 2018 May 13th? May 13 වල claim එක කාටද? May 13 index number 0945. 0945 පුතේ නිමල් සොයිසා. So what is the answer? Nimal Sosa. 22. First one is the answer. 23. What is the suitable data type for admission number? Let's see. Admission number is the index number. Keep that in mind. You can use text here. Why text? Because if you put numbers, zero will be gone. Zero will not be mentioned in the number, right? Serathina zeros badak nahi. Ewa ayin wena. Text. In the megara text. Right? Right. Text. 23. Text. Third one. 24. Which is not a reserved word in Pascal language. Reserved word එකක් නොවන්නේ මොකද්ද කියලා අහන්න පුතේ. Some, right? Can you use some as a reserved word පුතේ? It's not a reserved word. හරිද? But the begin, the case and the array they are reserved words. So third, fourth one. Some කියලා තියෙන එක තමයි උත්තරේ. හරි? Should be the third one. 25. A var count integer. So count is an integer. Var AB is a real. Var name school. Name school. ඒ මොකද්ද? එහෙම දෙන්න බෑ. A and B. What is the correct definition of the variable in Pascal language? A, B. Fourth one is the answer. 26. A, 5 greater than or equal to 5 and not 8 less than 10. B, not 15 mod 4 greater than 4. The values respectively. So put a 5 greater than or equal to 5 equal to 5. Yes. Arayatin mokad 8 less than 8. True. But there's a not gate. So it will be converted into false පුතේ. ඒතර උත්තරේ එන්නේ true and false. True and false කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? In an AND gate all the inputs must be true. So A will be false. A කෙනෙක් false ඉඳලා. හරිද? B not 15 mod 4. 15 mod 4 කියන්නේ පුතේ 15 වලට 4 ඒවා බලලා ඉතුරු එක බලන්න. 15 divided by 4 and the remainder. What is it? We have 3 which is 12 and 3 remain. හරිද? 12 නම් yeah. So 3 greater than 4? No. But the not gate will convert it into true. So B will be true. Now A false, B true. Second one is the answer. 27. The controlling structure of the following flowchart is controlling structures. It's a selection. This is a selection. Right? If you want, you can put sequence and selection. Before the selection also there's a sequence part with read marks. Right? No, but read marks is there. So sequence selection. Second one, sequence and selection only. 28. The controlling structure which execute until satisfaction of a condition is the repetition. Right? Repetition. 28. 2. 29. If a constant b pi c22 divided by 7, right? A constant take up b pi and c is 22 divided by 7. The correct order of A, B, C are what put A is a identifier. Enemy A constant කියලා තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද පුතේ? Constant is a constant value, right? And here එතන pi කියන්නේ මොකද්ද පුතේ? That's the identifier, right? And then 22 divided by 7 is what? 22 divided by 7 හැම වෙලේම අමතක ප්‍රශ්නයක් ඔයලමයි නැහැ කියලා session එකේ අමතක වෙනවා, right? So 22 divided by 7 කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? It's a constant value, right? It's a constant value. ඒක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ. Then const කියන එක const is a reserve word. Now if you put const m is identifier, const is a reserve word. එහෙනම් පුතේ A reserve word, B identifier, the C constant value. First one is the answer. 30. With the development of his business, Mr. Siripala buys and uses a point of sale, a POS system, right? But as usual, he records his daily transaction in a book, which is the deployment state of parallel deployment. 30. Second one is the answer. 31. The tag used to enter relevant HTML document, which is not seen in web pages. A tag used to enter in relevant HTML document, which is not seen in web page. Comment. The comment. You don't see the comment, right? 32. The website displaying design of the HTML tag is what? So this is a descriptive list. In a descriptive list, we have the description text, then leave a small gap and put the list items. And put the second one is the answer. Second one is the answer. 33. Select the correct statement relevant to HTML tag from the following statements. A. A cell is created by adding several rows in table using col span tag. A cell is created by adding several rows in table using col span. Col span is to add multiple columns, not rows. So, correct statement, not the first one. Second one, and NBSP is used to reduce the space between or to add the space. Incorrect. Caption is used to enter topic description above a table. That's correct. Third one is the answer. Right? 34. What is the correct statement regarding email? Then put that fourth head is the starting tag of the HTML. No, HTML is the starting tag. 34. What is the correct statement regarding email? The receiver of blind carbon copy can see the email address of the sender. Sender ke komat payna, right? Correct statement take hard. Yes, sir. First one is the answer. Thirty-four. What is the correct statement regarding email? The receiver of BCC copy can take 35. Select the incorrect statement regarding website designing. First one, when using the static website, there is no direct connection with web server and users. Of course, for the web server and the user, there's always a connection. Why? Because web server need to publish the web content. Right? Open source software like Joomla, WordPress, Drupal can be used to design dynamic years. In order to publish website, it is compulsory to have a web host. Years, break, image tag belongs to blank empty tag type. So they are blank empty tags. Huh? Are they blank and empty tags? No. Right? They are not. I think yes. They are blank and empty tags. The empty tags can they have a value. They don't have a closing tag. Right? So that is true. A third one, in order to publish a website, it is compulsory to have a web host. No, you don't need to have a web host today if you are hosting with your own server. So third one is the answer. Right? Incorrect. 36. What is the HTTP and LK in the web address? HTTP is the protocol, LK is the higher level domain. Right? Cool. HTTP protocol for top level domain. Fourth one is the answer. 36. 37. Which of the following is not an example for social network website? social network website. Ask is what put as a search engine, right? So 37, fourth one. 38. Consider the following statement for the concept of cloud computing. Which of the above statements indicate the advantage of using the concept of cloud computing? A. Less expenditure for software. Less expenditure for software. Cloud computing, yes. Right? So that's correct. Necessity of continuous internet facility. That's true. Less maintenance issues. That's also true. ABC all put the fourth one. 39. Which of the following is a malicious software that can be obtained the personal information of users shrewdly by using email address? What is it for this? Obtaining personal information by using email addresses. What is it? Phishing, right? Phishing. 39. Phishing attack. 40. Consider the following statements. Which of the following statements are correct? What you are looking for, right? By removing electronic waste in the improper way, various allergies and cancerous diseases can be caused. That's true. Directing in irreparable electronic devices can be repair karan bari. Irreparable, right? Repair karan bari. Electronic devices to an institute which recycle them is a proper way of disposing them. Yes. In order to get digital bridge in the society, institutions providing infrastructure facility for digital literacy should be in abundance. Yes. Digital bridge හදන්න නම් අපි digital facilities දෙන්න. So all ABC are correct. The fourth one is the answer, right? So check your answers like that, right? And next week when you are doing the paper on Wednesday, tell me the answers with the Wednesday paper, right? Okay, everyone have a nice day. God bless you. Sir.